everyone. So today we'll do a beautiful lantern for this Diwali using these A4 size color sheets. Now let's start. So for this we required this colorful A4 sheets which is colorful from both the sides. Then scale, pencil, cutter, scissor and Fevicol. Now let's start. First step, we need to do these squares from these rectangle sheets. See, this type of squares will do. We'll use different papers. Use the different colors. First I am folding it exactly in the center. Then to make a square, just take one corner and cross it till this line. Make sure this should be triangle. Do not press it here, just make a marking. And now add one line and cut this one. Okay, so you will get the exact square shape. Now this one we can cut with the help of cutter. Cutter is optional. You can cut it with the scissor also. See, in this way we will do 15 to 20 squares. Okay, so we have ready with this different colorful squares. Now the next step, take a Fevicol. Now this point, we need to join this point to this point in this way. So I am adding Fevicol on one corner and the next corner it should be on the top side of that Fevicol. See, in this way we required these sheets. For some time you need to hold it. Okay. See, in this way we have done with the colorful shapes. Use the different colors so that the lantern will be colorful. Now the next step. Now we require two strips to stick this shapes. So here I am using tinted paper. This is called a tinted paper, or you can use the regular sheet. This one, jo A4 size paper, so you can use that one sheet also. But this area is little bit, we required a little bit more area. So this size is approx 30 centimeter and we required more than that. So for that we can take the tinted paper. It is a little bit thick than the chart paper. If you take a chart paper, that is also okay, no problem. Now here I am marking it to the 38 centimeter. It's in centimeter. So length is 38 and by will take 5 centimeter. 38 by 5. In this way we got these 2 strips. Now keep it in this way, and now we'll start pasting these shapes. Make sure there should be a little bit gap on the top side also and bottom side also. So we'll paste in this way. So add Fevicol on both the corners. Leave some distance from left and right. Okay, press it properly. Paste it near a bit closely. Now we'll add some Fevicol between these 2 shapes. Now let it dry properly. Now this is exactly perfect, all is stitched to each other. Now we'll turn this. So in this way we'll turn this and staple this side. Now as you can see, when we joined it, you can see the one more gap is there. Now we can fill this gap by pasting one more shape here in this way. Now in this way you will get this beautiful shape of lantern. Now here we can stick strips from one side and thread from one side. For the below side strips we can use this one kite paper or the regular this one A4 size sheets also you can use, which we have used for the shapes. So this will be looks a little bit very nice. So I'm using this one kite strips of different colors. You can use the single color strips also. That one will also look good. And in this way we can hang it. So this is our beautiful lantern.